Hi, it's Chef Weideman coming to you from Uponor Academy. Today we're going to put on a quick demonstration for kink repairability between Uponor PEX-a and a PERT product. Why kink repairability is important: if you kink the pipe, it creates a flow restriction, which now changes the system performance. With our pipe, you can actually heat it, takes the kink out. With other products, you have to actually replace it with a fitting. So first, we'll take the PEX-a pipe, put some kinks in it, show the flow restriction, and now we'll heat it. When our pipe goes clear, you can see that the kink is fully repaired, still has the integrity shape of the pipe, and is still very strong. Now let's do the same test with the PERT sample. We'll kink it and apply heat. You can see the PERT sample has lost its integrity. We put a little bit of pressure on it, the pipe pulls apart.